people. So this is my third video of the day, and like I was discussing with a friend, see people, like all of us, it's, if you really think of it, life is like a game, like, I mean, this realization has come to me only now when I'm in my 30s. I should not reveal my age, but yeah, whatever. So it's like, I mean, if you are put in a game, how will you come out of the situation? How will you make a difference? So that's what I have to say. This people that I've been reading this book by this gentleman named Vineet Bajpai. So it's like, wow. I mean, his book is the 30 something CEO. So I mean, it's not like all of us would aspire to be CEOs, because I've personally seen like a very close friend run a company, and it is tough. Yeah, I mean, running a company, employees, and the management work. So maybe it's not everybody's dream to run a company, but that whole the logic behind it is, if you learn how to it helps you become a better human being. So I think I found that it's very profound. So Vineet Bajpai sir, I mean, I've seen this gentleman on in a almost personal level, but amazing, just like truly amazing. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.